Meet the new MacBook Air with the powerful M5 chip. It is perfect for everything from smart flashcards to incredible 3D rendering.
The MacBook Air M5, the laptop that changes everything. After waiting, researching, and wondering if it was really worth it, the MacBook Air with Apple's M5 chip is finally here. Today we're going to unbox it, look at what's new, and find out what makes this MacBook so special. Experience the premium unboxing of the latest powerhouse in Apple's lineup. This is the MacBook Air powered by Apple's M5 chip, designed to combine portability, performance, and battery life in one incredibly thin laptop. We'll take a closer look at the package. Now, before we finally open the box, let's take a moment to appreciate what we're looking at. This is the 13-inch MacBook Air with Apple's M5 chip, 16 gigabytes of unified memory, and 512 gigabytes of storage. And yes, this one made its way to us all the way from Abu Dhabi. There's something special about opening a brand new MacBook. Everything is still untouched, perfectly packed, and you know that in just a few moments, you're going to see your new machine for the very first time. But the real question is, what does the M5 MacBook Air actually feel like when you finally get it out of the box? How thin is it? What does the finish look like in real life? And what do you get inside the package? We're about to find out, so let's stop talking. It's time to open this box. And here it is, the MacBook Air itself. That first moment when you lift the laptop out of the box is honestly one of my favorite parts of any new device unboxing. Look at how clean and minimal this packaging is. And Apple has kept everything neatly arranged underneath. We have the welcome and setup information, along with the quick guide that helps you get familiar with the MacBook. But there's something else I really like about this unboxing. Even the accessories feel beautifully presented. Here we have the braided USB-C cable with the MagSafe connector. And if you've never used MagSafe before, this is such a satisfying little feature. The connector snaps into place magnetically, and it can disconnect easily if the cable gets pulled. Now, the accessories are nice, but let's be honest, none of us opened this box just to look at the cable. The real star is sitting right here, that incredibly thin MacBook Air. And in just a moment, we're going to take a closer look at the design, the M5 chip, the display, and what makes this little machine so powerful. So stay with me, because this is where the fun really begins. Next, we're taking a closer look at the power adapter that comes with the MacBook Air. As we turn it around, you can see its clean, compact design, with the USB-C charging port right here. It's a simple design, but everything feels very neat and thoughtfully packaged. Now let's take a look at the charging cable. It has a braided finish, with USB-C on one end and Apple's MagSafe connector on the other. And with the adapter and cable ready, we're almost ready to power up the MacBook. Now that we've seen the power adapter, let's take a closer look at how everything comes together. The braided charging cable is neatly coiled and ready to use, keeping the setup clean and organized. From the USB-C connection to the MagSafe end, Apple has kept the design simple and practical. And now, the moment we've been waiting for, the MacBook Air itself. As we close the box and reveal that beautiful Apple logo, you can really appreciate how clean and minimal the entire package feels. Everything is designed to feel premium, right down to the smallest details. And now, it's time to open the MacBook Air. As the lid lifts, we get our first look at that beautifully slim design. The protective layer comes away, revealing the keyboard and trackpad underneath. And then comes the best part, the display. As the screen comes to life, the MacBook Air immediately feels ready for work, creativity, entertainment, and everything in between. The keyboard looks clean and spacious, while the large trackpad keeps the design beautifully minimal. This is the kind of first impression that makes you want to start using it right away.
The new MacBook Air is here. It handles all your powerful apps. Multitasking is seamless. Work, create, and connect. Power your possibility.
It's available in 4 stunning finishes: sky blue, silver, starlight, and midnight.
But the real star of this MacBook is inside. Let's talk about the Apple M5 chip. The M5 combines a 10-core CPU and up to a 10-core GPU for seamless, high-speed computing. It also includes a 16-core neural engine and specialized accelerators designed specifically to handle modern AI workloads. Whether you are juggling multiple browser tabs or running large projects, the M5 handles it all with ease. Apple rates the M5 model for up to 18 hours of video streaming, reducing time spent searching for an outlet. You can edit videos, produce music, and run creative software without ever worrying about your laptop slowing you down. Apple Intelligence is built right into the Mac experience, helping with writing, creativity, and daily productivity. From automated writing assistants to advanced image editing, the M5 chip ensures these tools run faster than ever. If portability is your absolute priority, the 13-inch model is the easy, lightweight choice. Customizing your machine to handle your workload is simple with various configuration options. The M5 MacBook Air starts with a powerful foundation of 16 gigabytes of unified memory and 512 gigabytes of storage. Need more? You can configure your model with up to 32 gigabytes of RAM and 4 terabytes of SSD storage.
Meet the new MacBook Air with the powerful M5 chip, designed to make everyday work feel effortless. From creating content and editing videos, to multitasking, studying, and getting more done, MacBook Air brings impressive performance together with a beautifully slim and portable design. It's fast, it's elegant, it's incredibly versatile, and with the seamless Apple experience, everything feels smooth from the moment you open the lid. MacBook Air with M5, power that travels with you, wherever inspiration takes you.
In the US, the MacBook Air with M5 starts at $1,099 for the 13-inch model, while the 15-inch model starts at $1,299. In India, the MacBook Air with M5 starts at 1 rupee, 49,900, including taxes. It brings the power of Apple's M5 chip into an incredibly thin and lightweight design, perfect for creators, professionals, students, and anyone who wants powerful performance on the go. And in Dubai, the MacBook Air with M5 starts at 5,099 United Arab Emirates dirhams, with education savings for the 13-inch model, while the 15-inch model starts at 5,899 United Arab Emirates dirhams. If you need a reliable, fast, and light machine that keeps up with the future of AI, the M5 MacBook Air is your best bet.
If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.